loss. Well, don't let the thought of it get you down. You, of course, can still snap into shape without having to ditch some of your favorite foods, but you also can get fantastic help from professionals like these people did right there. And joining me now is nutritionist for Medical Weight Loss by Healthogenics, Hannah Erickson. Hannah,
Hello.
You guys knock it out of the ballpark because you literally walk people from beginning all the way to the end and then some, but you do it with people who are certified to do it.
Yes, a big difference with a medical weight loss type program is that we're walking, as you mentioned, each patient through this process, one-on-one accountability, guaranteed results of 2 to 5 pounds per week, and they're able to eat regular food, dine out at restaurants, and learning what works with their bodies for optimal success.
And it's obviously successful because one of your clinics just was awarded something really, really great.
Yes, we're so excited with the 3 locations here in Georgia and 3 in Alabama. Lawrenceville was recently awarded Best in Weight Loss Programs for Gwinnett County. So excited. There's the team, as you see. The medical assistants, medical directors, nutritionists are there to help you. And actually, I have another location that received this award in March. So we're just so excited to have 6 locations now, and we're continuing to grow and getting a lot of respect in the communities. Doctors are referring patients to us, and obviously a lot of referrals. People are losing weight and their friends are joining, so we're really excited about that award.
Huge congratulations.
Thank you.
That is awesome. All right, so obviously people, it's working for people. So how many have gone through your program that have just seen a difference, saying this is the new me, this is actually the real me?
Yes, so we've been in business now 9 years, and we've helped over 35,000 successful patients lose weight and keep it off. We have a wide variety of programs. As you see here, one of our teen patients lost 80 pounds. Her name's Ashley. We have programs for men, women, children. We specialize in programs for diabetics, people with high blood pressure, cholesterol, and we've actually had patients not only lose weight, but with their doctor recommendations come off those medical medications that they're no longer needing because they lost the weight.
So they're pretty much healthier from, with the body, even in the mind, because it gives you that boost of confidence after you're able to reach your goal no matter what it is in life.
Most definitely. It is so amazing seeing women and men come in. They're depressed. They have no energy. With a 20-pound loss within their first month, they're feeling so much better about themselves. We see a lot of people that have emotional eating problems, so we're getting them back on track, understanding how food fuels their body and substituting, instead of reaching for food when they're in that emotional state, substituting it out, maybe going for a walk or a run or taking a bath, something where they're not focused on food as much, and obviously getting healthy.
And then once you have that initial motivation, you lose that first 20 pounds, it's going to keep you going. You're going to want to keep pushing until you see the exact results that you want.
Right.
Now, the benefits that you guys have is a little bit different from other weight loss companies because you have professionals on staff.
Yes, we have a wide variety of persons on staff to help you lose your weight. You're coming in once a week, getting that one-on-one consultation and weekly weigh-ins. The medical staff consists of medical directors, nutritionists, health coaches, certified weight loss specialists. So we are the experts in weight loss. So if you're looking to lose weight, you can't go wrong with a money-back guarantee of 8 to 20 pounds per month. It's definitely a great time to do it. Lose 20 pounds before you start back to school or your children go back to school.
And that's why you guys are winning awards left and right. Hannah, thank you so much. You guys heard it from her. Medical Weight Loss by Healthogenics has 3 locations and an online program. So those 3 are located on Alpharetta Highway in Roswell, Hamilton Mill Road in Buford, and Duluth Highway in Lawrenceville. So if you want to go ahead, pick up the phone, schedule a free consultation, which they do have. That's 1-800-668-5211. And don't forget to mention CBS 46 because guess what? They're offering a special where you can lose all the weight. Listen to this, all the weight that you want for $149. That is up to 80% off. So go ahead, call for details. Again, this is a limited time only offer, so make sure you connect with them. For more information, log on to mdwls.com.